Hey there! In today's video, we're all about diversifying your contracts with Zoho. From service contracts to new frontiers, we're here to show you how to add contract types. Let's get started.
A contract type is a mode that defines the primary attributes of a contract and has an associated contract template. The primary attributes include the contract category, intent, and approval workflow to be associated. Instead of authoring an entire contract from scratch every time, after creating the contract type, you will just need to fill in a few fields, select suitable language for clauses, insert new or remove existing clauses. So how do we manage these contract types and add new ones? Go to Admin, select Contract Types, and click Add New Contract Type. Specify details like basic details like name, category, intent. Specify who is party A and who is party B, and if any approval workflow should be applicable. Select if you want to create the template from scratch or upload Word template. We will focus on the first option. Contract template consists of several parts: intro text, clauses, ending text, and attachments. Add intro text first to define the contract background and context. Each contract type template will have two variants of the intro text based on the effective date of the contract. The effective date could either be on execution or from a specific date. Use added tools for entering and modifying the intro text. Use insert fields for fields to be filled in on contract authoring stage. Click Add. The next step is inserting clauses. You can insert existing clauses from the library or create a new one. When the first option is selected, find the required one from the list and check it. Then choose the language of the clause. To set any language as standard, click on More icon. Click Insert. To modify the text of the clause, click More icon. Add it. You may want to insert several clauses at once. Just select them from suggested list. Add ending text. You may want to insert signatory block here. Just select this button at the top right corner. Click Add. If any attachment is required, click Add. Select the type, enter name, and specify if page break is needed. Click the button on the bottom of the right panel to reorder the clauses. After you finish building the template, click Preview to have a general overview of it. To publish this template, click Close first and then Publish on the Contract Type Details tab.
If you're eager to broaden your contract management skills and want more easy-to-follow content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Questions or ideas? We're here to chat at know-how@customerization.ca.